Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a security camera. The company did send it to me and did compensate me to make this video. So it's an outdoor wireless camera, 3 megapixel wireless camera, 350-degree Wi-Fi camera with night vision. PIR sensor, two-way audio, that way you can talk back and forth. It's only 2.4 gigahertz is the connection it does use. And it is solar rechargeable, which is super important. Do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let's get to the video. So I unbox it real quick for you to save you some time. Comes with the cameras. This is a PTZ pan, tilt, and zoom camera, which is cool. It's got the tilting here and the panning, so you can see that. It's got the antennas, which is movable, so you can see how the antennas move, so you can adjust it. Easy to install. Like I said, it's fully waterproof. So here's the camera, and this is the mount for the camera. The camera mounts on the back here very easily. As you can see, it snaps right in when you're ready to mount it. Super easy. It comes with that, which is really important. Comes with the security. Comes with 24-hour security warnings. Put that out there as well. That's super important. Comes with some quick regarding the solar charger. Talks about that, and also has some. These are templates to put your screws in, and you set that all up. You can, hook up your templates to put all your screws in. It comes with all the screws, which is super important. So it comes with everything. You don't have to buy anything. All you really have to do is supply yourself with a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. It comes with a manual. Just go over that at your leisure. The software is super easy to use, super intuitive, super, like I said, really nice quality. We'll go over that in a few minutes. Also, this is the mount for the solar panel itself. Solar panel is nice quality solar panel, high efficiency. This basically just screws in, mount this to the wall, and you can adjust the pivot and the angle just by loosening this up, as you can see here. You can make all those adjustments. Everything's going to work perfectly, and it's an absolute fantastic setup. So I love this quite a bit. That comes with that. Also comes with the super long extra cord. This extra cord, so you can actually wire it up, and you can actually connect everything up so you can see what's going on. That's super important as well. And this also is an additional charger. So when you get this, make sure you charge it up. This is a charger for this. So you charge it up, get everything up and running and ready. You basically put it where you want to, download the software. You pair it up with the, there's a small QR code over here. I don't want to show the QR code because it messes everything up. So you just scan that with your phone's a QR code over here. That pairs the phone to this device. You put your Wi-Fi password in, and it's pretty much that easy. Again, here's all the connections. This is you can't get much easier than this. Also, I want to show you that's really important. On top here, you can actually add an SD card. Okay, you can actually have onboard storage or cloud storage. Totally up to you. There's a reset button and a power button. There we go. That's a nice shot. There's a reset button and a power button, and that's where you put your SD card in right there, and you can put it in, and you can record on the card. Then you can pull everything back as you need to, so you can see what's going on. So that's what's under the hood. You pop the card in, you leave it in there. Again, it's got the pan and tilt, as you can see all around. It's gonna find everything for you. Put the antennas up if you want to. Most likely, you're going to be under an eaves or under a building somewhere, and I probably suggest keeping it like this. These are for the antennas. Super long range, 2.4 gigahertz. Let's do some cutaways. I'm going to show you some of the footage. I'm going to show you where I mounted it, and take a look at the actual quality of the footage day and night. How super easy that is. So really easy. We're going to hook it up outside. We're going to do some night testing. So definitely stick with me. Watch this whole video, the whole tutorial. Really easy. You can control the camera up and down. You can see that. You can see that moving. Right, left, right. You can record. You can see the history. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. It just has all kinds of things. Now, what you can do also is that you can does have a service that you can pay for. They give you extended service times. You can constantly recording in the background on the cloud if you want that. Or I just use the SD card. If I get a notification, if I see something, I can hit record, and boom, I can record it right there on the spot. If I want a light, here's a light button. Light on and off. Shut that off and on if you want to. So you can manually do that. You can adjust the motion detection. You can adjust the sensitivity. Okay, so I'm just show you some footage here. Actually, all set up where you saw where I had it mounted, and you can see it's raining out in a very detailed video. You can see it's really nice quality. It's 2K quality. I can record it right on my SD card if I want to, just like I showed you before. The software is super easy to install, easy to use, operate. Just the interaction is fantastic in this thing. It just very easily access all the important features that you're looking for, like the light and the record button. You can take photos. It'll alert you when someone's there. Just got a lot of good features. You get notifications on your phone. You can shut that on. You can shut it off. You can do so many things. So take your time, read the instructions, go over everything. This is without the rain. Another day, you can see really crystal clear. You can just go for a little walk, and you can see how the quality and the clarity of this video is. It's really nice quality. You can see the detail of everything, and that's really what it's about when you have a security camera for your home. So that's night, and I'm going to give you a night vision shot, show you a nighttime shot in about 2 seconds. So stay tuned to that one. And I'm going to go to the night vision shot. Also, it does support 128 gigabyte micro SD card. That's where you put that on the top there. That's super important. So you can store all your storage on there and see what's going on. You can replay it back later when you are ready. And also, this is compatible with Google Home, and also Alexa, so you can actually control it. And with your voice, it'll notify you when things are happening. So it's compatible with all that as well. So it's super smart, super intelligent, and most importantly, you can see what's going on in your phone anywhere in the world. And that's really a great feature when you want to know what's happening in your house. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I definitely highly recommend this item. It's definitely a fantastic quality item. It really works well. And thanks for watching this review.